Upwork doesn't have the best portfolio sharing solution. If you shared a direct link, everyone has felt frustrated looking at the slowly loading project pop-ups at least once. It makes a portfolio a not so popular option for self-presentation among users. But I strongly recommend you fill in and from time to time update this section. In this lecture, I will share some key moments that can assist you with it. Let's talk about adding the portfolio section for the first time. Old cases will serve as proof of your expertise when you don't have any completed projects on Upwork. Thus, it will be beneficial to design no less than 5 cases to help them appear in the scrolling view. Pay attention to how your cases look. You need to not only add a poorly understood picture or a text-crowded PDF, but also tell the story for your potential customer. Include information about what the tasks were, the challenges confronted, and how you solved these issues. Don't forget to put the cherry on by showing the results you achieved. Once the client feels that this story is similar to their own, they will be motivated to send you the offer. Also, you will have a lot of cases. Make sure to put more effort into the first one. It's also incredibly important to add a good quality preview picture because this will appear in the search results of the talent catalog. It could either work to your advantage or keep everyone away from you. I have a life hack for you on how to make this preview more beneficial for your own promotion. Just add video instead of a picture, and people can check it out directly in the search results. Later, when you start completing orders with Upwork, previous cases might have less influence on customers. The priority will be getting Upwork clients' feedback, their marks, and their project's budgets. But even in this case, a portfolio can assist you in making your profile more visually attractive. Upwork has an incredibly awesome feature that people don't use, an opportunity to connect the feedback with a certain case in the portfolio. Moreover, adding cases to your portfolio encourages you to choose existing feedback or a project to connect with. After that, Upwork will send the notification to your client and they will have 3 days to confirm or reject your request. If there is no reaction from the customer during this time, Upwork approves their request automatically. This is particularly convenient if you closed the project a long time ago and don't want to disturb the people who need to give you a reaction. In doing all this, don't forget to add skills and keywords to the names and descriptions of the projects in your portfolio.